Okay, so welcome to today's class. We have another question on the board. We have that x raised to power 3 plus x raised to power 2 is equal to 36. And we're asked to find for the value of x. Let's solve this question together. So we're going to start the solution of this question from the right-hand side. We're going to try to rewrite 36 in such a way that it looks like what we have on the left-hand side. We know that 36 is the same thing as 27 plus 9, because when we rewrite 27, we have 3 cubed. And when we rewrite 9, we have 3 squared. So we have same base like we have here, and then we have 3 and 2. Okay? So now let's rewrite the left-hand side. So we have x raised to power 3 plus x squared equals 27 plus 9. That will give us 36. So let's rewrite this in the power form. Becomes 3 cubed plus 3 squared. So next we're going to move everything on the right-hand side to the left-hand side, and then equate it to 0. So we have x cubed plus x squared minus 3 cubed minus 3 squared equals 0. And then we'll go ahead and collect the like terms. We have x3 minus 3 cubed plus x squared minus 3 squared equals 0. So from here on, we'll employ the rules. We know that x squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b, a minus b. And we know also that a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b, a squared plus b squared plus ab. Now, with that sorted, we'll go ahead and expand our last equation. So we have, I'll just rewrite it here, plus x squared, 3 squared equals 0. So we expand this first, plus, then expand the other one. So let's rewrite this in this format. So we have x minus 3 into x squared plus 3 squared plus 3x plus, let's continue on the side. Now it's this one's turn. So we'll rewrite this in this format. We have x minus 3, x plus 3. This whole thing is equal to 0. So we can see that all these are together and all these are together, and then there's just this positive sign separating them. So we can look for like terms. So we can see x minus 3 on this side, and that is our common term. So we take that one out and then add up all the other ones because of this positive sign. So it becomes x squared plus 3 squared plus 3x, which is what we have here, plus x plus 3 equals 0. So we have x minus 3 equals 0, equation 1, and x squared plus 3 squared is 9, plus 3x plus x is 4x, plus 3 is equal to 0, and that's our equation 2. So from here on now, our x is equal to, if this moves over here, minus becomes positive. X is equal to 3. That is our x1 value. So I'm just going to write it here. x1 is equal to 3. Okay. So this becomes x squared 9 plus 3 is 12. So plus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0. Now, we employ the formula minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. That's because there are no factors. We have 6 and 2, right? 6 minus 2 will give us 4. We have 6 and 2. So if we take minus 2, 6 and minus 2, right? 6 and minus 2 will give us positive 4. But 6 times minus 2 will give us minus 12. And that's not what we have here. And if we go the other way around, minus 6 and positive 2, minus 6 and minus 6 and positive 2 will give us minus 4. But what we have here is positive 4. And minus 6 times 2 will give us minus 12. That's not what we have in our equation. So this will not work at all. That's just totally wrong. Okay, so we employ this formula. All right. So we're going to continue on this side of the board. And I'm just going to rewrite the equation. We have that x squared plus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0. So our a is 1, b 4, c is 12. Right, so x is equal to minus b is 4 plus or minus b squared. So that's 4 squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay. So let's open this up. We have plus or minus 4 squared is 16 minus 4 times 1 times 12. That's 48 divided by 2. This is minus 4 plus or minus 48 minus 16. So we have minus 32 divided by 2. We'll carry on this side. So we have x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus root minus 32 divided by 2. And we'll rewrite this as minus 1. 32 is the same thing as 16 times 2. So we have 16 times 2 divided by 2. So we have now that x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus root minus 1 root 16 root 2 divided by 2. Okay, so x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 1 is I. Square root of 16 is 4 because 4 squared is 16. And then we have root 2 divided by 2. So now we have that x 2 because we have two values from here, two answers from here because of the plus and minus sign that we have here. So let's write the plus one out because plus is on top. So we have minus 4 plus I 4 root 2 divided by 2. And then we have x 3 minus 4 minus I 4 root 2 divided by 2. We can factor out 2 here. So this becomes minus 2. This becomes 2 want this to be really clear. So we have x2 equals minus 4 plus I4 root 2 divided by 2. And if we factor out 2, it becomes divided by 2. That cancels out. And so what we have is minus 2 plus I2 root 2. And for x3, we factor out the same thing. Factor out 2 as well. We have minus 2 minus I2 root 2 divided by 2. And then this is what we have. So the solution to this question, for the solution to this question, we have that x1 is 3, x2 is minus 2 plus I2 root 2, and then x3 is minus 2 minus I2 root 2. We can factor out 2 here as well, and then we have 2 bracket minus 1 plus root 2i. However you want to write it, it's still okay. Now, for us to verify to see if our answer is really correct, we have that x3 plus x2 is equal to 36. So let's employ the value of x1, which is 3. So we have 3 cubed plus 3 squared. We're trying to find out if it is equal to 36. 3 times 3 times 3 plus 3 times 3, is that equal to 36? This is 27 plus 9. We're trying to see if that's equal to 36. If we add this up, 7 plus 9, that's 16, 1, and we have 36. So that means the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. Therefore, these values of x, especially that one, they are all correct. So, if you've learned something new today, make sure that you like this video. If you like what I'm doing, make sure that you subscribe as well. Ensure that you share this video so somebody else can learn something new as well. I'll see you on the next one.